Etu also has family dances. Each family represents a particular grouping of Yoruba speaking people, and they have their particular song and their particular rhythm that is played. The dance is done in a circle moving towards the drummers, and when the song for the family dance takes place, somebody from that family representing the family will go within the dance ring and do the particular steps of that family. Appreciation is expressed by shawling, and shawling may be done by the lead dancer of the group. She's maybe called the queen, and it's simply the placing of a scarf or a towel or so around the neck of the dancer. The dancer is then dipped backward, and that is dipped backward to the level where the strength of the body is expressed. If particular prowess and skill is displayed, you may also have the crowning, where a cap or a hat would be put upon the head, and that means that you have reached the epitome in the dance ring. Etu has some pelvic circling and thrusting within the dance, and a shuffle step where the feet maintain close contact with the ground, because there is a belief that the spirits repose in the ground. The system, the structure is based on faith. To maintain close contact with the ground so that you have close contact with the ancestral spirits.